Imagine starting with just $1,000 in the vast world of Forex markets. Now envision that initial investment growing exponentially, not just through luck, but through a strategic automated system designed to harness the power of compound interest. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality we've created for individuals like you, who are ready to shape their financial future. With our system, your journey begins with a modest $250 daily profit from your initial investment. But here's where the magic happens. As profits accumulate, they're reinvested, leveraging the remarkable power of compound interest. Think of it as earning interest on interest, an approach often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world. For every milestone reached, our system smartly increases your daily earnings, turning small, consistent gains into a torrent of financial growth. From the first exhilarating milestone of $5,000 to the pinnacle of success, a staggering $1 million in profits, each step is a testament to the strategy's potency. But what makes this journey truly remarkable isn't just the destination. It's the realization that financial growth is accessible, achievable, and automated. Our system is designed for anyone eager to take control of their financial destiny, making the complex world of Forex markets accessible and profitable. As you embark on this journey, remember it's not just about reaching a financial goal. It's about the empowerment that comes from knowing your future is in capable hands. Your initial $1,000 investment is the first step toward a future where financial freedom isn't just a possibility, it's a given.